What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to quickly go over XRP. We're currently down about 7% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 51.27 billion and the 24-hour volume is 7.48 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. Now we may have a double bottom if you see XRP start to break above the 20 EMA and then breaks this level of resistance, get back above the 55. That could be the reversal. You can see here we've come down to about 30 on the RSI. However, guys, if we just get rejected either by the 20 EMA or by the neckline of our double bottom, that's when you'll see that continuation. You'll see that rollover and continuation to the downside here. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that pattern there. We would need to see an increase in volume and we'd have to get above the 20 EMA and break this neckline and get back above the 55. But if we get rejected and we see that continuation, I have dropped in some levels of support. So we have the $1 range, which is the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. And then basically you have to target your swing low, which is down here at 92 cents. However, guys, if we look here on the daily, for XRP, that $1 range lines up with the 20 EMA, and I do think there would be a high likelihood of us bouncing off the 20 EMA. It's either that or we see some consolidation at about $1.10. As you can see, we're in between the EMAs on the 4 hour chart. So if you do see us start to lose this level of support, about $1.06 where these wicks came down to, we lose the 55. Do target $1, guys, as an opportunity to bounce. As on the daily, it does line up with the 20 EMA and would give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce here for XRP. As I've been saying with many coins, Polygon, it's healthy that we're going through this correction. We were overextended, so we need to come back to the EMAs here on the daily. So I just quickly wanted to show you guys that little reversal pattern. If it is backed up by some volume, we have to break through the EMAs and break through the neckline. And I would honestly even wait to get back above the 55 EMA and break $1.17 before entering a trade here. But if we get rejected, then your levels of support are here at $1, which is a great opportunity to bounce off the 20 EMA. And if we were to lose that, then 92 cents and the 55 would creep up. But I do think we're just correcting down to the 20 EMA. We find support. We see that continuation up to these future price targets. $1.46, our high to $1.96. We have the 1.272 extension at $2.80. Guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit. Up to $1,600 in bonuses. It ends today, and then it's back to, I believe, $600 in bonuses. Follow me on social. Check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.